HR management, employees, personal information. Here we can add and update new employee data. Give the details, then save it. Packages. Here we can add all the information of the employee's salary, monthly allowance and monthly deductions. Provisions. All the provisional information of the employees and the employer can be added here. Documents. In documents, we can add and update the documents of the employee. We can upload the document and can select the document type. Upload the document, then click OK. Vacations. We can set and track the vacations by adding the employee's vacation details like the number of leaves, leave lapse, etc. and also the details of the tickets provided. Masters. Branches. Here we can add and delete the branches. Departments. Here we can add the new departments. Designations. In designations, we can add new designations for the employees. Document types. Here we can add new document types. Employee types. We can add new employee types here. Provision category. Here we can add new provision categories. Qualifications. Here we can add new qualification records of employees, also can update and delete it. Transactions. Daily absence. Here we can update the daily absence of the employees. Give the date. Then add the employee. Monthly absence. Here we can record the employee absence monthly. Daily lates. Here we can update the daily lates reports. Monthly lates. Here we can update the monthly lates of the employees. Daily overtimes. Here we can update the daily overtime details taken by the employees. Monthly overtimes. Here we can update the monthly overtimes taken by the employees. Salary advance. Here we can update the salary advance details of the employees. Branch transfers. Here we can add and update new documents of the branch transfer details of the employees. Vacation calculator. This option in HR helps us to calculate the vacation taken by the employees. Non-monthly allowance and deductions. Here we can update the non-monthly allowance and deductions of the employee. Loans. Here we can add and update the loan details taken by the employee. Give the details and then save it. Statements. Salary. You can keep monthly and yearly salary advance records of the employee as other allowance and other deductions, and can select the given below options if needed. Then you can export it to Excel, Word and PDF. Salary detail. Here we can show the salary in detail on the month and can export the statement. Payslip. We can print payslips of an employee by giving details like month, branch code, employee code, and can select the payslip type. Allowance. Here we can keep monthly and non-monthly allowance information of the employees. Give the details, then click Show. Deductions. Here we can show the monthly and non-monthly deductions of the employee and can show and export the data. Provisions. Here we can keep employer and employee's provisional details monthly and yearly. Absence. Here we can show the monthly and yearly absence of the employees on the basis of branch code and department code. Lates. You can keep the monthly and yearly late reports of the employees. Overtimes. Here you can keep the monthly and yearly overtime records of the employees. Loans. Here we can record and then can export the data of monthly and yearly loans taken by the employees. Loan details. Here we can show the loan details of the employee by giving the branch code and employee code. Salary advance. We can show and export the data of the salary advance given to the employees. Reports. Absence. Here we can show the absence reports of the employees. Lates. Here we can show the employee late reports. Overtimes. Here we can show the overtime reports of the employees. Loans. Here we can show the reports of the loans taken by the employee. Salary advance. Here we can show the salary advance provided to the employee. Branch transfer. We can show the branch transfers reports of the employee. Vacation calculator. Here we can show the reports of the vacation calculator. Expiry documents. We can set the expiry dates of the documents. Employee listing. Here we can show the list of the employees as reports. We can select the report type. Can give the employee code, branch code, department code, etc. Then click Show. Setup. Change strings. Here we can update the strings label. Employee provision formulas. Here we can update the employee provision formulas, selecting the provision category code. Here we can select the provision. Here we can see the available fields. Here we can see the available fields and the area for the selected field. Here we can select the available fields. Then click Save. Absent types. Here we can add new absent types. And can add a ratio if needed. Overtime type. Here we can add the overtime type, give the overtime name, then ratio, and then save it. Late types. Here we can add the new late type. Starting number setup. Here we can update the starting numbers of the options in this module. Can enable auto numbering and can add prefix. Global setup. We can update and enable the given options below, like employee document file size, HR transaction post financial accounting, etc., and also for other payments in HR module. Salary posting setup. Here we can update the salary posting details. Give the below details like monthly and non-monthly allowance, monthly and non-monthly deductions, employee provision credit account, debit account, etc. Notification setup. Here we can update the notification setup. We can activate or deactivate the expiring documents and can give the notification days period. Report setup. Here we can update report details. We can select the report, select report format, and can change the report structure, give the further details, then save it.